My first impressions of the mock mine was that it was super cool, and it was something that I've never seen incorporated into a college before, and in Virginia Tech and any of the engineering departments I've never seen something so hands-on.
Just a little bit of background, when we were designing this, we thought we had a real opportunity to provide something better for our students. We had had some of our undergraduates working in senior design capstone projects with students from aerospace engineering on NASA competitions for off-Earth mining bots. So mining on the moon, mining on Mars, mining on asteroids. And they would build these bots and then take them over to the dorms to test them out in the sand pits and the volleyball pits. And so it's a great facility where our students learn not just about robotics and mining, but everything behind that. So all the different sensors that these robots use and the data that they acquire, and what can we get from that data to make everything more efficient. We have also augmented reality and a simulator where the students can operate the heavy equipment and understand the productivity, the fuel consumption, and the equipment abuse. We are seeing more and more of our students use these types of experiences to go to work for other direct mining companies. This is a great place for kind of lab scale experiences where they can learn about that data and how to make the most of it.